Hey, what's up you guys? It's Rachel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And on this channel, I like to purchase inventory from various sources, unbox on here on my YouTube channel, and then do updates after 90 days to let you guys know what sold, how much it sold for, and was that box worth picking up. I know that we're all kind of out here trying to figure out where's the best ways to source, the best sites to source from, and trying to find the best inventory. So I like to share with you guys my experience with different boxes from different places and let you guys know what's worked for me with actual numbers at the end of 90 days. So today I'm going to update you guys on a box I purchased from Jomar. And this was new with tag, new without tag denim. And I believe it was, so this was 20 pair of denim, and the cost of goods was a little bit high. It was $11.55 per item. My total cost of the box was $231. That was, of course, including like tax and shipping. So averaged out to $11.55 per pair of jeans. Now, that's totally out of my comfort zone. So denim is my comfort zone. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know denim is my comfort zone. I love selling denim. I love sourcing denim. But normally when I source denim, it's different brands, kind of lower end brands, maybe more like mall brands, American Eagle, Gap, Levi's, things that are much more common, and I pay a lot less for them. And I'm very successful with denim that way. These were higher cost of goods, but they were new with tag, new without tag. So I kind of was thinking, if I can get a little bit more for them, this might still be worth it. So I get this box and I unboxed it here on my YouTube channel. I'll link it here up top here. I will post the link if you want to go back and watch the original video so you can see everything that came in the box. And I think if I remember correctly, I was a little bit thrown off by this box when I first opened it. It was not really what I was expecting. It wasn't the brands that I normally would see, but I decided to give it a chance anyway. And all right, let me just be honest. This box was terrible. This was one of my worst decisions as of late. And actually this box got 120 days, not 90 days, because I got married this month. I was on my honeymoon. And so I did not get to the box at the 90-day mark like I normally would. So if you like content like this, please subscribe. I would love to see you in future videos. It really helps out my channel. And I'm trying to grow my following and my channel. So if you would subscribe, that would really, really help me out a lot. Drop this video a like. All right, so let's get into it. I will show you over here on the side what sold, how much it sold for, what platform it sold on. And okay, spoiler alert, I might not even show you everything that still is unsold because I have so much of it left. I'm not gonna lie, but stick around. I would like to hear I'll show you a few of them, and I would like to hear your opinion. If you are familiar with these brands or if you have sold higher end denim brands, let me know maybe what I could have done differently or what I could do to maybe move some of this stuff. I would love your input at any time. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, so we'll start with the ones that have sold. So this is a brand called NWOT. And these are high-waisted trouser jeans. These were new without tag, and they sold for $30 on Poshmark. And they took over 2 months. I think I accepted an offer on those just to move them. So my profit was $12.45. Then there were these Remy skinny jeans, and these took even longer to sell. I think they were low rise, which I'm not really sure if people are buying low rise or not. Some people are saying it's in, it's not in. I don't know. Well, anyway, these finally sold. The brand is Raven Denim. They sold for $35 on Poshmark. Again, I think I accepted an offer because they weren't getting any other attention. Then this was a one and only pair of men's jeans in the box. These were Joe's jeans. The style was the Dean, and these sold within 5 weeks for $45 on Poshmark. My profit was $24.45 there. Those I would probably pick up again for $11. I think being new with tag, that was a good sale. I think. I wish there would have been more men's jeans in this box. Then there were these Hudson jeans. These were high-waisted bootcut jeans, but they were little. They were a size 25. I did still sell these after about 6 weeks at $45. Again, the profit being $24.45 on Poshmark. These I expected to sell. I was excited when I saw these in the box. These Love Story flare jeans, or they're more like bell-bottom jeans actually, and they're from J Brand. These sold for $60 on Poshmark. They were new with tag, the profit being $36.45 on those. And the last one, and actually I'm going to go ahead and call this a bolo if you find this brand, and I can't show you a screenshot because I sold them on Depop. And I'm banned from Depop. I'm sure you guys, if you've been following my channel, you know. I'll link the video here if you want to see it. I got banned from Depop, so I can't show you a screenshot of this, but these are trouser jeans from the brand Gold Sign, and I'll put the tag here so you can see what the tag you want to look for. These actually sold for $58.50 on Depop, bringing my profit on those to $46. Now, a lot of this stuff was supposed to be new with tag, but really, I don't think it was new with tag. So some of it had like a consignment shop tag on it. So basically, like it sat in a consignment shop, it didn't sell, and it ended up at Jomar, and they passed it off as new with tag, which I was not too happy about. And I think that's why a lot of this stuff was sitting. It didn't sell at a consignment store, and it didn't sell for me. So, some of the items I still have listed. This pair of white jeans from Closed, and I heard Closed is a pretty good brand, but these are absolutely not moving. I've got a couple pair of J Brand jeans. They sent me some capris, and then I have a couple pair of James jeans. I went through and looked today. There's like no interest on any of these. I've lowered the price. I've delisted and relisted. Even this brand, Notify, and specifically this Anemone brand, this style, seem to have pretty good comps, but they're not selling for me at all. So, I think at this point, it's been a couple months, 4 months. I think at this point, I'm going to probably just like really lower the price just to get rid of this stuff. I have to make room for new inventory. I'm very disappointed that it hasn't sold faster, but maybe because the holidays are coming up, I'll give it just through the end of Christmas, and then maybe I'll take them to my local consignment store and see if I can sell them that way. I only sold 6 pair of jeans out of the 20, and so I still have 14 pair of these jeans left. So my total profit here, -50 cents. Okay, so the good news is, right? The good news is I've made my money back. So I'm not out any money, but I am out the time I took to list all of these, to research, to photograph. So yes, this box was a big fat waste of time, and it was a big fat waste of money. And I'm thankful that I broke even at this point. I might make a little bit of profit if I can just get rid of some of this stuff, but I would not recommend this box from Jomar at all. No, stay away, stay far, far away. If you can get some of these brands, I probably wouldn't even pay half of this for. I wouldn't even pay $5. Just because something is new with tags does not mean that it is worth picking up. It does not mean that it will sell. It does not mean that it has a high or any resale value for that matter. So lesson learned here, new with tag is not always better. Because if I could have had a bunch of pre-owned Levi's and Gap and American Eagle, this would have been great. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Steer clear of this stuff for sure. And let me know in the comments, would you have done anything differently? Would you have priced differently? I did price some of this stuff pretty high initially based on the retail value and also based on comps, but that didn't really work for me. So would you maybe have strategized a little differently on price? Would you have listed any other marketplaces besides Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and Depop? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. If you've ever ordered a box that was similar and you had better luck, I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you all so much for watching. Drop this video a like if you have not already. It really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and reseller content, and I will see you in the next one.